solving linear equations with decimals. So when you solve linear equations, decimals do not change any of your steps. However, some students see decimals, they don't like decimals, so I'm going to show you a trick on how to rewrite the equation legally in mathematics to eliminate your variables. So this equation here is asking you to solve, and we have some decimal terms and some that are not. The good thing about math is anything that you do on one side of the equal sign, you're able to do on the other side of the equal sign. And that is a legal mathematical move. So we're going to multiply both sides, the left side and the right side, by 10. So I'm using parentheses because we have to distribute this 10. Everything gets multiplied by 10. And while I'm writing this out, what's going to happen is the reason we're multiplying by 10 is these decimals only go to the 10th place. There's one decimal place, which means if I multiply by a power of 10, it's going to move the decimal one place to the right. The whole equation changes now. Now we have 29x, 570, 14x, and 60. So now we have an equivalent equation that's going to give us the same answer as the previous equation. So I'm going to subtract 14x from both sides of the equal sign. So I get 15x minus 570 equals 60. I'm going to add the 570 to both sides of the equal sign. So now I have 15 times x equals 630. Last thing we're going to do is divide by 15. 15 divided by 15, that gives us 1, so we're left with 1x. And then 630 divided by 15 is 42. That is your answer. Remember, you can always substitute. Take this value, 42, and plug it into the original equation. What you should have is a number on the left side equivalent to the number on the right side. And as long as that's the case, then you know that your answer is correct.